Look, standard action movies aren't cool anymore.
Who are you? Get off my yacht.
You and I should make a brand where movies, books, musicals, clothing, mouthwash, you name it, are all connected in a cool way.
Security'll be here in a minute.
That's all I need. It's the Guy Marvelous Cinematic Universe, and it all starts with one movie. Picture this. It's the year 2080. The world as we know it has been completely overrun by the living dead. Civilization has taken to the skies. For all that remains below is hell on Earth. Those who've survived find themselves amidst a new war. One between the militia, our good guys, and the Vultures, a street gang. No wait, it's like a rooftop gang, vying for control of the new world, Sky World. Tensions have risen between the two factions. The body counts have doubled, which only serves to feed and strengthen the zombie population. The only way to ensure a future is through peace. Will the two sides come to an agreement, or will zombies attack? So, our hero's gotta fight off like 1,000,000 zombies.
1,000,000? While the chopper's swinging back around.
Yeah!
I feel this lacks the courage to say anything about any real problems.
The real problem I'm addressing is entertainment. Think about it.
If I'm picturing it correctly, it's just carnage. What are you trying to say here? You have a message?
Yeah, my message is, hey audience, thanks for the cash. Look at this cool shit and forget about your worthless life for 2 hours.
All right, that's enough zombies. What's next?
What's next? A fucking high-powered machine gun?
Maybe you can say something about guns.
I am! I'm gonna say no other movie has ever made shooting up zombies look this fucking cool! Hot order with zombies coming up! Let's fucking spice this shit up! Sprinkle a couple of zombies here!
then the Walking Dead come in. Ah, fuck, I can't say that because of copyright. Fucking lawyers can't let you do anything these days.
I'm guessing something happens here.
Fucking boom!
So, after the machine gun, the chopper lands.
No, not yet.
I can't land! The radar's picking up something heading your way!
And then, just when we think things can't get any worse, up from the air vents comes zombie Wolverines!
You know, you could address the polarizing nature of climate change.
Nah. What I am doing here is setting up the third sequel, The Rise of the Wolverine King. And then I wanna like do this pyrotechnics for the sequence. So like, let's give the hero a flamethrower, like all-American, lycanthropic barbecue, baby.
Okay, we're finished with the Wolverines and the chopper lands, right?
Oh, shit! You got more hostiles inbound!
Seriously? More?
It's the Vultures, our rooftop gang. I mean, since there's no zombies around, they blame our hero for the massacre. He killed our people. Waste them.
I'm sorry, what now?
See, our hero is the Chosen One. And that's gonna pay off in like the 6th spin-off / sequel, The Age of the Chosen Ones, Civil War Part 1. Hops on and flies off to the sequel.
You're ending this on a sequel.
There is more! The Guy Marvelous Cinematic Universe has like 50, 60 years worth of movies. Easy. I got outlines.
I'll pass. At this point in my career, I want to do something with more substance.
Come on! You're telling me that cool isn't a substance.
I'm telling you to start swimming.